corporation.
It is just before the usual State Executive Council meeting, but something seems different. The hall is filled with a whole lot of other appointees who are not necessarily members of council. Chairman of council, at whose instance the appointees converged, gives reasons for his summon.
I'm here to pour out my heart to tell you that I'm not satisfied with what you're doing. And you may lead me with no other option. Since some of you claim that you are not getting paid, you're not getting something that you want, one day, you don't have any monopoly, and I have no apology to anybody. If I woke up one day and decide I will just dissolve all of you.
Are we getting what we are supposed to get from the Ministry of Information? To my mind, I think that is a critical issue. TV Akase appears to be doing his job as a chief press secretary and at the same time doing the job of the Commissioner of Information. And if we have to move forward, I think things have to change. Let me ask a question. Do we even have, given the fact that our governor is in the eye of the storm, are we not supposed to have a situation room in the Ministry of Information that will be deliberating on issues and looking at all issues from the media, all kinds of media, 24 hours a day, and responding almost immediately? Are we having that at the moment? In my view, the answer is no. And we need to have a change.
The dissatisfied chief executive was particularly displeased with the State Internal Revenue Service Board.
BRS, those who are in BRS, these illegal checkpoints we are seeing that are creating problems. Every time you see roadblock from morning till night, as a result of illegal checkpoints, destroying tires of vehicles, trailers and all that, and they block roads. It's because some of you that are posted, in fact, you have to review the number of people you have posted to that BRS. They are creating more problems than solving the problem. And when I pay principal special assistants or advisors should not be one person in BRS. And there should be two senior special assistants in BRS. And you should not have more than one principal special assistant in BRS. After the federation account, that is where we're supposed to get money to run government. And it's now servicing private pockets and creating problems. And creating problems for the government. When problems come here, when security issues come here, where do I get the money? If I cannot access money that has been duly appropriated as security goes, where do I get it to run government? So these are the issues.
He maintained his timeline for appointees seeking elective positions to resign.
30th of September is the last day for anybody contesting election. If you don't do it, I will sack you. You know, if I say I have terminated you or dismiss you or whatever name you call, it will be a negative impact on you. So then there's no crime. I've always said that John 3:27, a man can receive nothing except is given to him from above. It's God that crowns. So if you pray and you're okay, that God is with you, God is working with you, it is important that you resign before or on the 30th of September.